Struggling to unlock the value of Teams and all of Microsoft 365? We have a better way, Nulia Works. Built around a continuous system based on our core pillars: measure and evaluate, personalize and guide, engage and reward. We enable skills development in a user's natural flow of work. Nulia Works meets users where they are and provides the same user experience whether they are working in Teams or on the web. And with enhanced accessibility, Nulia Works ensures that users have what they need to realize their potential. Let's start on the homepage, where users see a quick snapshot of what's happening with their skills, all based on measurements of their actual Microsoft 365 usage. Nulia Works collects data from a variety of sources and then evaluates that data with machine learning to drive recommendations. Nulia Works provides the "What's next" for each user, personalized with AI so they can use Microsoft 365 in the way that works for them. Nulia Works is built around outcomes, which are sets of skills designed to meet a business goal. Every skill is made up of related activities, and it's hard to miss the big purple button. This helps users discover more about an activity by watching a video, viewing a resource, or with Try It, taking users right to the Microsoft 365 app they need to attain the skill. If a user needs a little more help before trying a skill, we offer multiple styles of resources to fully support that user. Users stay engaged and are rewarded by collecting achievements and earning engagement points, which can be used to unlock hints and additional skill levels. But the most important reward are the badges, certifying a user has attained an outcome. They can even show off their digital skills by posting the badge on sites like LinkedIn. Our revolutionary approach of badge verification ensures that the skills represented by the badge are more importantly being maintained and used. Nulia Works is a better way, and we can prove it. By providing actionable insights for both the user and organization, we show that outcomes are being attained and maintained, usage is increasing, and sustained behavioral changes happening, all while providing your organization with a higher return on your Microsoft 365 investment. Request a full demo and get your users developing digital productivity skills in their natural flow of work and unlock the value of Microsoft 365 for your organization.